Step out of your comfort zone. Explore the possibilities. Create your future and expand your mind.
Well, just to let you know, I'm Pastor Mensa Otabil. I'll be speaking at this year's Breakthrough Convention of Abundant Life. I'm coming to speak for my dear friend, Dr. Festus Adeyeye, and his wife. And I trust that God will speak to you in a very powerful way. I have a word that will lift you up, inspire you, and position you prophetically in the season that we are in. Let's trust God from the 7th of October to the 11th of October at the Breakthrough Convention.
Start your journey to a life of impact without limits at the ALCC Virtual Worldwide Breakthrough Convention 2020, October 7th through 11th, with hosts Drs. Festus and Anthonia Adeyeye, and guest speakers Pastor Matthew Ashimolowo, Bishop Tudor Bismark, Dr. Bill Winston, Dr. Mensa Otabil, and Apostle Stephen Holford. Music by D. Jones, Kevin Downswell, Jumbo, Joe Mettle, and the New Dimension Choir. Your journey to a life of great possibilities begins here.